We are going to fireworks. Can't barely see anybody in the dark though. Defeats the point of filming.
Where's the kids? Archie Ray, Willow. Where's JJ?
Over there. We have just got in, had our bags checked.
Right, that's the horror thing, so you don't want to go. We're not going in there. The kids are about to go on their first ride.
Let's hope they don't fly off it. Oh god, you caught that on video.
They're so excited. They're actually so excited. Here we go. Yeah, look, she's smiling. She's waving at everyone. Veronica, she's waving at everyone. Fireworks going off in the distance. The kids like it. Why? We are in the queue.
Oversized egg running around.
Right, JJ has got a balloon for £10 and he's happy.
That's a good thing. John Edwards for providing the
Why are you laughing?
Sorry about the flash.
Oh, we've been blinded.
Harley's like getting a little bit uncomfortable. He's laughing now.
Yeah.
He's happy now.
Oh.
Are you happier?
We're boinging. We're boinging. Oh, the light. Yes, darling.
Is that making you happy? Yes, Harley.
Oh, we're boinging.
I don't like bug sauce. We got Megan's trying to signal her sister. There's up there. Jumpy's got a line.
Raven?
Oh wow!
Look at Jimmy's up there.
Aaron's got her phone in the air. Can you see it?
Okay, everyone, this year for me, instead, we're going to point to the stars with anything we have to hand. So that's the LED lights, hands, walking sticks, anything like that, but don't fall over. That way, the space people will be able to see us and they'll know where to land. So shall we do that? Let's wait. Point up to space.
Point up to space.
Listen, everyone.
Okay, come.
Can you hear something? I've got something coming through my headphones. Can you hear it now?
Give me a go, no go for launch. Surgeon.
Go flight.
Ecom.
We're go flight.
GNC.
We're go.
Telmute.
Go.
Control.
Go flight.
Procedures.
Go.
Inco.
Go.
FAO.
We are go.
Network.
Go.
Recovery.
Go.
Capcom.
We're go flight.
Launch control, this is Houston. We are go for launch.
flight, and I'm gonna be high as a kite by then.
He wants up.
I miss the earth so much, I miss my wife. It's lonely out in space.
Give a drink.
And I think it's gonna be a long, long time. That's the one thing I'm get to find. I found a man that think I am that one. basement, and I wanna go home.
Love this song, don't we, Harley Warley?
What's this song?
Harley loves this one. Where's Harley Warley?
I'm gonna give you my heart.
Amy, take my place, please.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Hey, we'll get down here with it. Harley, ready? I don't care, you wanna tear me apart. I don't care if you do.
You're a sky full of stars. I wanna die in your arms. You get lighter the more it gets dark. I'm gonna give you my heart. Now I'm careful, wanna tear me apart. Now I'm
You're holding my hand. Yes, it is.
Well, what do you think of that, Woking? That was magnificent, wasn't it?
Did you like it?
You know why you're here. This is the best fireworks display in the area. Thank you very much for coming
only
along
one in the
tonight. It's
area.
been amazing.
What do you mean it's the
Look,
best?
the moon's up there celebrating tonight's fireworks as well.
Why the fuck is it orange? Why is it
All of
orange?
the gunpowder.
Me and Thomas have come to Brownies.
Brownies.
6 brownies.
Brownies.
We got our 6 brownies. We chose 3 each.
Yeah, because we're fatty.
But we can't open these yet because
Children. The fucking children are around.
so we will open them when we get home, yes?
Yes. Away from the kids.
Thomas just filled my bag with donuts.
Me? Nuh-uh.
Right, let's try and find Brianne's kids. We have found everybody. Harley's not so happy and the kids want to go on this.
I'm not happy. I want to eat.
Yes, we've got brownies.
I blame the kids. They're the reason why I can't eat.
Hello guys. What have you got?
Brownies.
Oh, Will.
Don't train that.
That's going on YouTube, mate. So you better be.
Kids are going on drive.
I would offer to do it, but the baby scares me.
Oh no, not outside.
Punk